Hey guys, Joe here, and I'm here to offer my top 3 tips for anyone who's looking to start TIG welding at home. First, you need to find yourself a quality TIG welder. We have a variety here at Eastwood that could fit your needs. Off the bat, we have our TIG200 AC/DC welder. This is a great introductory TIG machine that'll get you up and running and welding material up to 1/4 of an inch thick. If you want to step that up, we have our TIG200 Digital unit. Very similar to the AC/DC, but it's packed with the bells and whistles that you'd expect from a more professional unit, things like spot weld timer, rocker style foot pedal, and even 4T and 2T functionality. And lastly, another great option if you want to keep your options open is our MP200i. This is a multi-process unit that offers MIG, TIG, and stick functionality. Once you pick the unit that fits your needs, you're going to want to consider safety equipment. We're talking helmets, jackets, and gloves. We have a wide variety at Eastwood.com, everything from our panoramic view helmet down to our extra large view helmets, large view helmets, even down to more affordable Rockwood versions, depending on how frequently you plan on using them and the quality you demand from it. And last on my list, number 3, maybe the most important, is a desire and a hunger to learn. Not all of us have a relative or a buddy that can teach us how to weld. That's why Eastwood offers great how-to content at Eastwood.com and on YouTube that'll get you up and running. Everything from beginner techniques, learn how to dial in the settings on your TIG machine, all the way to more advanced professional techniques. So those are my top 3 tips for anybody who wishes to start tackling TIG welding at home. You need the right machine, you need the proper safety gear to protect yourself, and you need the right resources so you can learn and grow. For more information on all the things we covered today, be sure to visit Eastwood.com.